Hi fighters, how you doing? Travis Witherspoon, CEO of Carter Cow Capital. Let me ask you this question. Are you a new or veteran trader looking to find ways to create passive income with very little management needed? Are you truly looking for a plug-and-play system that will allow you to be able to take your fear and emotions out of trading? I proudly present to you the Pathfinder Automated Trading System, a fully automated trading system that is built for traders by traders. Now let's take a look at the system. Let's see how it works. So the Pathfinder Auto Trading System has been built to be fully automated, which means that it will end up trading for you, but you can be able to trade manually. But it's set up based off of being able to have personalized MACD indicators that actually end up fitting the behavior of that currency pair alone. So let's take a look at an example of some of the actual swings that we end up getting in October. If you end up taking a look at this swing right here, we end up finding an extreme oversold position. We end up taking a buy from this position based off of our leading indicator signal, which was down here. Then after that, we end up exiting off the opposite signal from down here down at the bottom, which end up giving us a 170 pip move based off of this entry right here. Our next entry that we end up taking was a signal that ended up happening from our entry signal, which basically ended up giving us a sell signal right here. And our exit indicator basically ended up taking us out to be able to get another 22 pips off of that gain. Now in here, because of this consolidation, we probably end up having a winner and a loser just based off of this actual move. But the best thing about it is because it looks for extreme overbought and oversold signals, you're able to be able to get large swings inside of the market. That takes us to the last swing that we end up having within this month. You end up having this sell signal that end up happening based off of this signal from this leading indicator. Our exit signal end up taking us down here, which actually end up having us capture right around 85 pips within that move. Now, keeping in mind, this is set up off of 9 different currency pairs. In October alone, if you look at how well it ended up doing, it actually ended up generating on the mass of 1,300 pips in pure profit, which means that for someone, if you traded one mini lot, you end up making $1,300 of actual pure profit that end up going inside of your account. Now, if you were doing it based off of a standard lot, that meant that you would end up making over $13,000 of actual pure profit that was going inside of your pocket. And the best thing about it was fully automated and it won at a 66% actual accuracy rate. Don't miss out on the next biggest swing in the market. Our pre-order start on November 11th and it ends on November 29th with our first classes starting in December the 1st. Now let's talk about what's going to end up being inside of the package. What you'll end up receiving is a full trading manual that talks about the full strategy and everything that you need to know that's in the system. Personalized charting software to where all you have to do is just plug in the presets and it actually ends up playing for you. You will end up getting mentorship, which includes a live 3-hour class and a 3-month class that meets twice a week with ongoing mentorship to ensure that you end up getting the best out of this system, and equity management resources that allow you to be able to trade in the most safest manner as possible within this actual system. The way that you can be able to get a hold of this system is by being able to do 2 different things. The first thing that you can be able to do is actually go to the website at cartercowcapital.com/Pathfinder Auto, and you can be able to sign up for a class and be able to pre-order from that actual site. Or if you want to be able to get some more information, you can email me at cartercowcapital@gmail.com to be able to get more information. Don't miss out on the opportunity to be able to reserve your seat to be able to see firsthand how the Pathfinder Auto Trading System works. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you in the classroom.